Is your child tired all the time, pale looking and struggling to concentrate? It might not be just laziness. Iron deficiency anemia is the most common nutritional problem worldwide in children. Iron is essential for making hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a part of your blood which carries oxygen. Warning signs of iron deficiency anemia in children includes constant tiredness, pale skin, poor appetite, frequent infections, poor school performance, and delayed growth. It's often caused by poor iron intake, excessive milk intake, parasitic infections in certain part of the world, and rapid growth phases. Parents can include iron-rich foods like meat, eggs, lentil, beans, and spinach, and always pair them with vitamin C. If you are worried, see a doctor. A simple blood test can make the diagnosis. Early treatment can change a child's future. For similar such tips, follow me on my YouTube channel, Dr. Sohail Anwar, Mind and Body.